Okay, today's daily 2490 circular sentence. A sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. For example, hello world, hello world, hello world are all sentences. Words consist of only uppercase and lowercase English letters. Uppercase and lowercase English letters are considered different. A sentence is circular if the last character of a word is equal to the first character of the next word. The last character of the last word is equal to the first character of the first word. Last character of the last word is equal to the first character. The last character of the last word is equal to the first character of the first word. Okay. Yeah. That's should be pretty straightforward. So what I'm thinking is split string by space. Iterate through until penultimate word. Penultimate being second to last because the last word has a different condition. And then check if for each word, check if last letter of I equals first letter of I plus 1. Check if last letter of first word equals first letter of last word. So we can do that first. Honestly, I think we'll do that first because that's one quick check. But yeah. So first we'll say if when we say words equals sentence split by space. We'll say if words 0, if the first letter of the first word does not equal the last letter of the last word, which would be -1, -1. So first letter of the first word is 0, 0. Last letter of the last word is -1, -1. Return false. Otherwise, we'll just loop through. So we'll say, like we said before, for I in range 0 to, when we say n equals length of words, we'll say for I in range n minus 1 because we don't want to consider that last word. We'll say if words I -1 does not equal words I 0, I plus 1, return false, and then if you make it through that alive, you return true. Does that work? Yes, it does. Great problem.